Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and this is my analysis for the Yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So yesterday I was talking about how we did have a break of structure, so we potentially are in a move to the upside. Whether that move to the upside is a pullback to this last move down, or whether it's going to keep going up is the question. The momentum is definitely down on the very high time frames like the weekly, but on the daily it's technically up. So this probably is going to go up and take out this high. Then if it breaks down at that high, then that potentially would be the A, the B, and the C correction. So I think this is the most likely scenario. It's probably not just going to keep going up in one straight line. There's probably going to be some pullbacks, especially on shorter time frames. But if it does respect one of these fib levels by making like a double top break of structure, whether it's a 61 or the 78, it doesn't matter. If it does do that at one of those levels, that means that this move up is likely over, and that move up is likely just a pullback to this move down. So pay attention to your Fibonacci retracement levels. They tell you a lot. But more than likely, I think what's probably going to happen is it's going to continue up like this in a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.